If you have a hard time keeping your plants alive, you definitely need these or something like these. I really like these because they're cute. They're little mushrooms. All you do is you dig a little hole for it, stick it in there, put some water in it. You can see how much water is in just by dipping your finger in there to see if you need to refill it. But this way water is slowly released to keep your plants nice and healthy. It's been especially helpful for this one because this one you don't want too much water. It's one of my palms, but this has been perfect. I saw that yesterday I filled him all the way up to the top and I hadn't watered him. And now he's down to the base where I can put my finger in. He still has water, but I could refill it. So I love that it works. And that helps me because otherwise he was dripping a bunch of water at the bottom whenever I'd water him. My plants are expensive and I spent a lot of time to get them nice and big as they are. So having these in them comes in a 4-pack. It just makes my life so much easier, and I know that they're gonna be taken care of throughout the week versus overwatering, underwatering, or when I go on a trip. So check them out. I think you're gonna love them too.